Every day, millions of dollars are stolen online just by using the internet. We're here to fix that. All of us at Simply Notify are working to make the internet a safer place for everyone. With the growing use of internet across the globe, there is an increasing threat to online security. 1 in every 10 people have been affected by a financial cybercrime. What can anyone do to protect themselves from this threat? This gave us an idea. Meet Simply Notify, a free, all-in-one tool for your online safety. Simply Notify makes you aware of reputable tools to use for your protection when you need them. With daily tips to improve your online security, Simply Notify helps turn you into a more proactive and safer online user just by using the internet. Simply Notify gives you a summary of a website's past data breaches and rates the trustworthiness of each site you visit so you can always browse the internet with confidence. With the optional upgrade to Simply Notify Plus, you can integrate your bank account and have Simply Notify inform you whenever a payment is made on your account, keeping you up to date. The Simply Notify Plus subscription also opens up access to our mobile app, which allows you to manage notifications, look up quick tips, and run internet safety tutorials all on your smartphone at any time. Simply Notify is a free, easy-to-install extension from your web browser that keeps you safe and well-informed while on the web. What's more, it's even available on all major browsers and on all platforms, so you stay safe even on the go. Cybersecurity is free at the click of a button with Simply Notify. Join us and take control of your online safety. Help us out so we can help you. Simply Notify, making it easier than ever to protect yourself online. Become a part of the transition to a secure internet.